This is a quick video to show you how I use Classroom. I have one classroom for each prep, not one classroom per period. So all of my advanced 7th kids are in one classroom here. I have added you as a teacher if you accept, or you can log in as me. Anyways, works. So I have, this is advanced 7th, I have their Monday stuff already put up. Everything should go in the topic of genetics, Edpuzzles, and here are notes and instructions. Making assignments, so to go down here and create an assignment. The difference between assignment and announcement is that assignment is going to give a due date. So topic down here, title it, whatever. If you want to add an attachment, I do most of my stuff through Word, but you can attach through the Drive as well. If you want to attach a link, go ahead and put it there. Then you can schedule it for later. So scheduling it for later, this will say when you want it to show up on their feed. Or you can save it as a draft and come back to it and continue to edit and whatnot, whatever you need to do. So if you have a question assigned, I'm trying to look here to see where I have a question assigned. Or if I have them turn it in through here, this is what Maya, okay, see history, no grade, whatever. I don't usually assign grades through Classroom, but every now and then I use them to see if they've turned them in. This they were supposed to, I think, take a test and then do a screenshot of their Quizlet score. I often don't grade this stuff, but it's there if I want to see who is doing things. And I can sort them by who turned it in, who did not turn it in, who's assigned, and then this did not have a due date on it, so it won't let me know who's missing it after the due date, but you can ask it too. What else? Yeah. Integrated science, I have two saved posts here that are ready to go. This one is scheduled. This one's ready for you to post. But all the build an atom stuff here is going to be an atomic structure as the topic. Okay.